Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will take you to a magical dreamland near Hyderabad. The place is called Ramoji Film City and it is located in Hayat Nagar, Hyderabad, which is an hour drive from the city. This film city was created by Sri Ramoji Rao, a Telugu film producer who always wanted to build a studio similar to the Universal Studios in Hollywood. The studio was finally opened in 1996 and it was certified as the largest film studio complex in the world by Guinness World Record. Ramoji Film City has a huge parking place and it is advisable to reach the ticket counter by 9 am. If you are traveling by car, set your map to Ramoji Film City ticket counter where you can park your car, get a ticket and then board the bus based on the ticket you have purchased. Alternatively, you can avail the pick-up and drop service to Ramoji Film City from different points for an additional fare. I will provide the details in the description for your reference. The show at Ramoji Film City starts off with a grand opening ceremony at 9:45 am, which we missed out as we reached the film city late. Now for the tickets. There are multiple packages available at Ramoji Film City. The basic entry ticket is Rs 1250 plus tax for adults and Rs 1050 plus tax for child. Small kids who are less than 33 inches height can enter free of charge. However, there is a package for guided studio tour in AC bus at Rs 2449 plus tax for adult and Rs 2249 plus tax for children. If you are going to Ramoji Film City for the first time or if you have kids or parents along with you, then I would suggest you to buy this premium package. In this package, you will be traveling with a guide in AC bus who will take you to all the shows without waiting time. In fact, you can even get express entry to few shows and rides that helped us to cover the studio to some extent. In addition to this package provides a lunch buffet and few coupons that can be redeemed for tea or coffee, juice, merchandise shop or a complimentary thrill ride. Ramoji Film City also provides a chocolate box and a small water bottle for this premium package ticket. In general, you can either book your tickets online or at the ticket counters at the Film City. If you like such videos, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Many of our viewers are watching the video without subscribing to our channel. Please consider subscribing as it will keep us motivated to bring more such interesting videos. Our first stop for the day was Action Theatre. This is where various aspects of filmmaking experience is shown to the audience. A scene was shot using a green screen in the first hall. Later, sound was added to that clip in the next hall and finally after mixing, the same clip was shown as a movie in a theatre. This show was really informative and at the same time, the anchor who was presenting this show was very lively and made the crowd to laugh and enjoy the show. When the show was over, we quickly moved on to the next one. Our next stop was Filmi Duniya. Here, we got an express entry to this show thanks to the premium package ticket. Since videography was not allowed inside, we did not shoot here. Filmi Duniya sends you through a virtual tour across the time zones and timeless cities on the globe in 8 minutes. We can compare this to It's a Small World in Disneyland. It is certainly one of the shows not to be missed. Right after this, we started walking to the next show called Spirit of Ramoji Show. This is a dance show beautifully choreographed by the professional artist with stunning lighting and a crystal clear backdrop. It started off with a theme song from Bahubali followed by multiple Bollywood songs. It was really a visual treat to our eyes. The whole crowd was enjoying this and was clapping and encouraging the dancers. Especially a couple song from Bahubali which was done on string was out of this world. Though it was extremely dangerous, the couple made it look so easy and graceful that crowd was left speechless. Finally, the show ending with Vande Mataram song, and we left the venue in a state of happiness and satisfaction. Even after all this, the time was only 12 noon and we still had time for another show before our lunch buffet. The next show was called Wild West Stunt Show. Since it was just about to start, we quickly went to this big auditorium and secured a place. This stunt show is yet another show that you shouldn't be missing. It was hero and villain clash with stuntmen pulling off aerial jumps and dodging bullets with a bit of comical nature. Overall, it was an enjoyable show. Hats off to the stuntmen who are doing these shows multiple times in a day on a daily basis. After the show was over, we started walking to a restaurant named 5-Star Hotel for our lunch buffet. We redeemed our ticket coupon and started having our lunch. It was a proper veg-non-veg lunch buffet with a good variety of dishes. Let me show you the dishes that they had on this lunch buffet. This restaurant is specially dedicated to film stars and cinema. In fact, there are multiple restaurants in Ramoji Film City at different locations with different themes. We were given around 45 minutes to finish our lunch as we had the studio tour coming up next. We visited Ramoji Film City on a Sunday and that too during the Diwali holidays, and no wonder it was crowded. If you can make it on a weekday, I'm sure that you will be able to cover a lot more than weekend. The day we visited the film city was hot and sunny, and we were thankful that we had taken the premium package for AC bus. The only downside is that you will not be able to do a proper sightseeing when the guide explains the location during the studio tour. Also, it is impossible to cover the shows and locations on a single day. You may need 2 days to do a complete tour of Ramoji Film City. In fact, there are many hotels within Ramoji Film City where you can stay and explore the film city. As part of the studio tour, we were also taken to Bhagavatam set. It was this location that the famous Sri Bhagavatam serial was shot, and Ramoji Film City had tried to preserve it for display. It was a rich and lavish set that they had built for the shooting this mythological serial. We also visited the railway station. There was a train, but to our surprise, there was no track. Instead, the train had tires. We were told that if required, tractors will be used to pull the train while shooting. Next, we visited the famous Bahubali set. This was where most of the scenes in the movie were shot. We saw everything, right from the giant statue of Balal Deva, horses and elephant, throne of Bahubali and many others. We even clicked a pic with the bull. Overall, it was a good experience where you can relate the scenes of the movie with the location in the set. There is also a restaurant at the Bahubali set where you can have big size dosa, bhatura and a food challenge of Bahubali thali. We then boarded the bus and were dropped at Askari Garden. From here, we walked to a number of spots. First, we visited Butterfly Garden. Next to the Birds Park. There, we saw different species of birds, right from swan, goose and different kinds of macaw. We even saw few ostriches and its eggs. Finally, we reached Kripalu Caves. It was a set made to look like a cave for shooting purpose. I should admit that it was indeed looking like a real cave, and without those lights, we will never be able to tell the difference at all. On our way back, we also went into the bonsai garden where they had a good collection of bonsai trees. By the time we reached Eureka, it was almost 5 p.m. in the evening. Just near to the spot, there was an adventure ride park, and we decided to go in for the kids to take some complimentary rides like frisbee coaster, ranger and other rides. These were like proper adventure rides which had age restrictions to some of the rides. As a part of Ramoji Festive celebration, there was an open stage dance show arranged at 6 in the evening. It started off with a religious song and followed by Hindi and Telugu dance numbers. They ended the show with a patriotic song and a national integration song which featured culture and dancers from various states of India. After the stage show, we went back to Eureka area where the night carnival parade had started. The parade started from Eureka all the way to Sun Fountain, and the entire path was illuminated with lights. It was really a visual treat as we reached the Sun Fountain. At the Sun Fountain, there was a special dandiya with DJ and dinner arranged. We bought a coupon for Rs 250 plus tax and had our dinner at the same venue. We had options of South Indian, North Indian, Chinese and biryani combo to choose from. We took a combo from each counter and enjoyed our dinner. Post dinner, we came back to the ticket counter where we had parked our car. We took a car and reached home by 10:30 p.m. Overall, a good trip and a day well spent at Ramoji Film City. We look forward to visiting this film city again in near future and to explore the spots we had missed today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Until we meet again in another interesting video, be happy and stay healthy.